Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is like a rush video because rain is falling and the electricity just went away. So I am going to show you how to fry fish in a stainless steel pot without the fish sticking to the bottom of the pot. A lot of people put flour on their fish before frying it so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pot, but I do not like when flour is put on my fish before frying it. So look at this. This is the fire, and the fire is on medium low, right? So this is the stainless steel pot that I put on the fire, and I'm gonna allow it to heat up. So I'm gonna pour enough oil into the pot to fry the fish, and that is around 1/4 cup, and I'm using vegetable oil. So this is what we call a pagi fish in Jamaica, right? And I wash the pagi, season the pagi. Watch my previous video and you will see what I'm talking about. Now the oil is hot. The key is to allow the oil to hot, but not to become overly hot, right? You can actually smell the oil, so that you know say hot. You have to dry the fish, pot dry the fish. You don't want the moisture on the fish. No moisture on the fish. Now put in the fish in a pot. Don't touch it, don't move it, let it stay. Stir the fish now. So I like to use something with a flat mouth to turn the fish. Look. See? A little fish like that. And then you turn it over. Don't move the fish. Leave the fish. Right? Now, I do not like when my fish is fried very dry, because fish is very expensive in Jamaica, so I can't afford to fry the fish until it is very dry. So it depends on how you like your fried fish, whether you want it to be fried until it is crispy or you want to be fried but still yet moist. That's how I like mine. So as you can see, I flip it to the other side. So now let's remove the fish from the pot. So see it? This. And you lift it like this. And then I'm going to put it on a piece of paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Like so. So I'm going to put it down there. And I'm going to fry. See it? Get rid of the moisture. And the oil is hot but not overly hot. Now put it into the pot. Leave it right there, don't touch it. Allow it to fry. So turn the fish, see it with this. I'm gonna turn over the fish like that. And you just leave it there. Don't pull it, don't push it or anything like that. Right, just give it one flip and then you just leave it. Make sure that you fry the fish in a big enough pot so that you will have room to flip the fish over, right? So now I am gonna remove the fish, and this is the second one. So I am gonna fry the third and last one. All right. It is 3. So here it is. That is how you fry fish in a stainless steel pot without this fish breaking up. I'm just gonna add some onion and pepper to it. Now you can have this with bread or festival.